Now that we have learned the clove hitch, I'm going to show you a variation of the clove hitch, and this one is called constrictor knot. The constrictor knot is a great knot if you need to repair anything, if you have something that broke and you need to put some tension on it and tighten things up. You can use it basically like a hose clamp or instead of zip ties. The easiest way is if you actually lay your rope underground, and first thing is you create an S shape. Then you keep going till it looks almost like the sign for infinity, and then you grab with your two fingers in the middle and pick this up, and this part goes over the object that you need to tie, and then you can tighten on the side here. So this knot is extremely strong and you basically can't untie it, so it's really important, like don't try this around your finger or your arm. But if I have an object, in this case this stick that broke for example, and I need to fix this together, I can create these little loops. There we go. Same here on the other side. And then I can really crank this down. Now I have a really tight connection. So the next knot or application I want to show you is the trucker's hitch. And the trucker's hitch is actually a combination of different knots, and we can use this trucker's hitch for example to tie canoes to a roof rack. But a great other application out in the bush is to create ridge lines for tying tarps. The first knot we're going to do for that is the bowline that we learned as the first knot of this series. So we're creating our loop. We come through, run around our standing end and back through the loop. And then I'm going to go over to my other tree and I'm going to run the line around it. And then over here I need to create a loop. Basically grab into the rope and I twist it twice, and I grab from this side here, grab this rope and pull it through, and this way I've created a loop. And the benefit of this kind of loop is that it's very easily, even after I've used this whole thing and tightened everything up, I can easily undo it. And now I take the working end of my rope and pull this through our loop. And the benefit of this whole thing is that I've now created a pulley system, so it's very easy for me to really cinch down on this line and tighten everything up. And to tie this off, I can grab this end here and I can run this through here. So there we have a sheet bend that is tying this one off. And now I have created a really tight ridge line.